Hip-hop hooray! The magic is returning to the happiest place on Earth. After what feels like the first time in forever, Disneyland Resort is reopening its theme parks April 30th, 2021. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here's how to make Disneyland reservations and purchase your discount Disneyland tickets through Undercover Tourist. To visit Disneyland Park or Disney California Adventure Park, you will need valid admission for that park and a reservation using the new Disneyland Theme Park reservation system. Initially, you will also need to be a California resident. Who needs to make a Disneyland reservation? All guests ages 3 and up. Whether you have existing tickets, need to purchase new theme park tickets, or are staying at one of the Disneyland Resort Hotels, you will need to make a theme park reservation. It's a good idea to check the park reservation availability before you purchase to make sure the park you want to visit has availability for your day. Multi-day tickets expire 13 days after first use, or January 12, 2023, whichever comes first. Once you purchase your tickets, there are 4 easy steps to obtain your theme park reservation. First, register or sign into either the Disneyland app or at startyourdisneylandexperience.com and link your admission ticket. Next, create your party. Then select the date and theme park. If you'll be park hopping, you only need to make a theme park reservation for the first park you wish to visit. Lastly, review and confirm your visit. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.